Brandon Church's cause of death has been revealed. Per documents obtained by multiple outlets, country singer Eric Church's younger brother died of consequences of chronic alcoholism.
Brandon was 36 when he died on June 29, 2018. Get push notifications with news, features and more.
Following you'll get the latest updates on this topic in your browser notifications.
Per Radar Online, the medical examiner wrote in the autopsy report that the decedent has a clinical history of alcohol withdrawal-induced seizure disorder.
According to his primary care provider, his history includes binge drinking followed shortly thereafter by episodes of seizure activity upon the withdrawal of alcohol use.
According to the report, Brandon's substance abuse caused myocardial hypertrophy, an increase in heart mass, coronary heart disease and liver damage, liver steatosis, or fatty liver disease. As TMZ first reported after his death, Brandon suffered multiple seizures the day he died in Granite Falls, North Carolina. Brandon had a witnessed seizure on the same day according to the family, where he came out of it oriented and alert, the documents reportedly state.
TMZ reports he then suffered a second seizure as he was rushed to the hospital, where he died.
A rep for Brandon's Grammy-nominated brother, 41, confirmed the death over the summer.
It is with great sadness that the Church family confirms that Eric's brother, Brandon, passed away Friday evening, the family said in a statement at the time.
In the month since, over $45,000 had been raised in Brandon's honor to the Brandon
Church Memorial Scholarship Fund, which will be used to bless others and honor a benevolent life.
In addition to How About You from the country star's debut record, Eric and Brandon also co-wrote Without You Here from Eric's 2009 album Carolina.